Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to quickly show everyone on how to download the latest new released QGIS software from the official website. So let's just get started. So when you come to your Chrome browser, you search for QGIS download. So you click on QGIS download and it's going to bring out the official website. However, in case you can't see this particular website from the list of the links displayed, I'm going to copy and paste this original website link under this video description so that you can just click on it and download directly, maybe from your PC or from your mobile phones. Alright, so you click on the first option here. So this is the official website for downloading of the QGIS software. So in case you want to just donate to support the community, the QGIS team, you can go ahead to just make your donations by clicking on donate. However, if you are not interested in that, you can click on skip and go to download. So it's going to bring you to this interface. Alright, so the default is on the Windows desktop. So if you are not making use of the Windows laptop, you can click on the drop down to see other options of interest. So if you are using the Mac OS Apple or the Linux or other gadgets, you can just go ahead and choose your gadget of interest. However, we'll leave it as Windows Desktop OS. Okay, then you can now scroll down. So there are two options you are going to see here. The long-term release, this is for the previous versions, so it's more stable, all right, but it's old. But the latest release is the 4.0, which is the current version with new and advanced features. All right, so you click on download. So automatically it is going to redirect you to the download, and you can go ahead to check the download progress under your download of your Chrome. Alright, so it is just 1.2 gig in space, so just give it a little bit time depending on how strong your internet connection is. So it's downloading. So therefore it is done downloading. So I'm just going to come to the download option on my PC. Then you scroll down to downloads, click on downloads, and here it is here. So this is the Windows installer package, the setup. So you right click on it to install. So we are done downloading. To install it, you right click on it, you select and right click, then you click on open. So it is preparing to install, so just give it a little bit more time. Alright, it's computing the space requirements. So that's done. Then you click on next. So it's going to ask you to read this license and all that. So you check this, I accept the terms in the license agreement. Then you click on next. So you don't need to change all this, just leave it checked. Alright, to create a desktop shortcut and create a start menu shortcut as well. Alright, so this is the file path it's going under your program files. Okay, so you click on next, then you now click on install. So this may take a while depending on your system capacity, so just give it a little bit time. So it's done. So when it's done, you click on finish. Then I can minimize this and come to my desktop. So on my desktop, this is the previous version 3.4, like the two previous versions I was using before. But after you are done installing, you are going to see it coming up as a folder on your desktop. So you open the folder. So this is for version 4.0. All right, so this particular shortcut desktop, now you can now right click on it, then you scroll down, so you click on show more options, then you navigate to send to, then you navigate to desktop here, click on that, so that you can have the icon shown on your desktop. So this is the latest current version 4.0 for this year 2026, while for this is the previous version. So let's go ahead. I'm just going to open it. This is beautiful. So under the description, I'm going to list the features that came with this current 2026 version, so that you can have a better idea to explore more with this current version 4.0. In my subsequent videos, I'm going to also show you some of the things you can achieve that are the new features with this version 4.0. So here we go. So you can see this was previous jobs I did with the previous version, and it is still showing here. So if you want to work on a new map template, you can now click on template, then you can choose either blank or you choose one with base map. However, make sure your system is connected to an active internet if you want to make use of the second options with the default base maps. I believe this is what you will not see in previous versions. All right, so this is beautiful to use, and I'm just going to click on the blank. Okay, so you can go ahead to import your data and conduct any analysis you want to conduct. So guys, I hope this video is helpful to give you guys the update on the new current release of the QGIS software 2026. If you find this video informative and helpful, do well to hit on the subscribe icon, as well as turn on your notification on this channel to keep on getting valuable tutorial freely. Thank you. See you in the next video.